Are you serious right now?
Guys, why the is this thing even legal?
What? Like, this can't be real.
Did you know regular home cleaners contain harmful chemicals like hydrochloric acid and benzalkonium chloride?
So, what's the big deal?
No, I did not. What exactly are these?
Yeah, so?
Did you read the fine print?
Skin burns, respiratory irritation, and eye damage. Are you serious right now?
May cause skin irritation, allergic reaction, and serious eye damage. Guys, why the is this thing even legal?
May cause skin burns, breathing issues, and damage to aquatic life. What? Like, this can't be real.
Now that you know, stop using harmful chemicals. Switch to safe. Switch to Happi Planet, effective cleaning powered by nature.